everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove an emoji from the video with Capcut application. So here you can see that on my video I have this emoji here, but whenever I tap it to remove it, there is no actions pop up, so we have no options to do with this emoji. So if you want to get the access over this emoji, you just need to take a look at this button features here. So you just need to go with text, because the emoji will be below to the text section. And now you just need to take a look on this part, the emoji section. Then you just need to tap it and you will have an access or option to do. If you want to remove it, you just need to go click X here, or you can also click this delete. It's just the same. So again, what if the emoji is coming from this text sections? It's also the same. So whenever you are in the beginning of the menu, you will have no access or option to remove it. You just have to go click the text part, click the section, go click X, and you are done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's move again into other tutorial.